Hello, my wonderful February hostesses. I am so excited to party with you this month because it is one of the best months to party. We have our last chance for fall, and so everybody's gonna wanna get their hands on these items because they will not be able to get them again. So you picked a perfect month to party. I'm so glad that we're doing this together. So first, I want to tell you some tips and tricks to having an amazing party. You should be getting a catalog and this little Earn Perks paper from me in the mail as your hostess package. If you haven't gotten it yet, you'll be getting it soon, but this is tip number 1. You should share this catalog with everyone you come in contact with. I know we're in a weird time with COVID, but if you do end up getting together with any of your friends, make sure you share this catalog with them because it gives them a look at the products, some of our gorgeous prints that won't be available after February, and it gives them some ideas on how to use our products. If you flip to the last page of the catalog, you'll see something very similar to this Earn Perks paper, and it explains basically what you get out of being a hostess. So the goal for all of my hostesses is I want to help you get to a $1,000 party. Yeah! I know that seems like a lot, but it's actually very easy when the average order for a party is between $50 and $70. So the goal is to get you to $1,000 because if you get to $1,000, then you get $200 of insider credit, you get 2 half-price items, and you get 2 of our Hostess Insider exclusives for free. And that is why I think it's an even better idea to host in February, because we have new Hostess exclusives. Oh my gosh, we are glowing up in February. This is one of the Hostess exclusives. You can get this awesome cinch workout bag, okay, and it cinch it on up, okay. We have 2 prints in this, the marble and the granite, plus you get a 3-pack of these gorgeous pouches to go with it, plus a fold-up workout mat for only $41. This is normally $141, but as an insider, you can grab it for 41 bucks or get it for free with a $1,000 party. We do have a few other Hostess exclusives that have been rotated throughout. We have an organizing tote, a deluxe limited edition large utility tote, and so all of these things are up for grabs for you when we get your party qualified. So to qualify your party, it is super easy. The goal is always the $1,000, but to qualify and open up all these rewards, all you have to do is have a $200 party. That's it. That's maybe 4 people ordering for your party, and then you're good to go. With a $200 party, you already earned a $20 credit. You get 1 half-price item, and you can choose to purchase one of these Hostess exclusives. Talk about rewards. And then as you go up from there, you get $10 for every $100 sold. But once you hit that $500 mark, that jumps up to $20 every $100 sold. So if you get to $500, you get $100 of credit to use on anything, 2 half-price items, and 2 Hostess exclusives. Now, it's important to mention that you cannot combine these offers. So if you have $100 in Hostess credit, you cannot use that to pay for your half-price items. It's all separate. Okay. The other really cool thing is personalization. We love to personalize our products. I got this cute personalization on this one. If you want it, work for it. Okay. This personalization, because it's on a Hostess exclusive, is completely free. On our half price items, the personalization's half off. And then if you choose to use your credit, you'll be paying the regular personalization for those items. So tip number 1, share this catalog. Tip number 2, we want to get you as many orders as possible. So I want you to make a list of 40 to 50 gals or guys to join in on your party. And once you have the list made, I want you to personally message each one of them. If you need help figuring out what to say in the message, I can definitely help you do that. But it's important that you do an individualized message for each person, because it makes them feel special, like you took the time to invite them to your party, and so they're more likely to be engaged and come. Once you've invited everybody, then we will open the Facebook group, and that's when you will go in and invite everyone. I always like to go back, and anyone who doesn't include the invite, I'll send them the link again. So then it's an automatic, they just push on the link and they're in the group. And then the party begins. So exciting. So I will normally start the party on a Saturday or Sunday and then go live on Monday or Tuesday, whatever day works best for you. During those first few days, tip number 4 is to comment and like every single post that I post in the Facebook group, because your friends they rely on your opinion. I might be a stranger to them. And so if they say you obsessed with 31 and loving it, then they are going to want to get in on it, and they're going to be obsessed with 31 and love it too. So make sure you comment and like on everything, and I'll do the same thing. The final tip I have is make sure you show up for the live event. So we will pick a time and schedule the live event, but it's very important that you show up and you comment and like and throw some hearts into that live video, because you are the energy behind the party with me. So your friends rely on you and your opinion, and they value that. So give it to them, be excited, and show up to the live event in your party, and I know you will get some awesome rewards. Yeah! So I just want to say thank you again for hosting with me in February. I'm so excited to end this fall catalog on a bang and get you some awesome 31 hauls. Have a great day.